today's Father's Day, and I'm gonna have a little Father's Day edition vlog. I have no idea what we have planned, but I've got gifts for him. I'm home to celebrate this day with him, and I'm with my little cousin. Do you wanna say hi?
Hi.
I made this. I did. I don't know. Come on, my pillow.
It's you.
After spending 4 months away from my family, I'm truly just happy to be home. The lockdown was intense being away from them, and just being home makes me so content. I am happy. This is my attempt at making an omelette. It's made with love, so don't judge. Breakfast is served.
Thank you. Thank you.
A typical Sunday morning includes my family exercising. If we're not at church, we're in front of the television trying to do home workouts. This is my dad's attempt at trying to join us with the exercise. But this is how he usually works out. Lunch is served. My sister prepared this beautiful meal, so I dish for my dad and we bless our food and say grace. These are the gifts we bought for my dad. 4 palm trees for the 4 kids he has.
We bought Diddy a new motorbike. Come see. I'll do it. Happy Father's Day! Your flowers!
Thank you. My plant. It's a Chinese palm tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
That's where they're going.
Why are we speaking
Beautiful.
in code?
Thank you so much.
Why are we speaking in code?
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's from the kids.
it's from the kids and me.
Are and me. Go on, Are and me.
I gotta get my kids stuff.
How do you feel about your presents for Father's Day?
Father. I feel very delighted. Exuberated.
Wow.
Really
Excellent.
dictionary.
Excellent. Great to hear.
Okay, so we're signing out. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed our vlog, Father's Day edition. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my sister's channel. Thank you. And goodbye from my parents. It's tea time. Say bye.